Okay, hello y'all. Alright, so what we have here is we have uh, the turn signal lights for the 57. They were painted. Turned out pretty good. They're all shiny. Looking good. Yeah, so we had taped them off. Got them looking nice. Now, what I'm going to do is basically paint the inside of these. I don't know if you can see down inside of there. I'm missing some paint, so I'm going to paint the inside, down inside here, all around both of these, get these done. And then once that is completed, these inserts will basically fit inside here. These lights that are right here, this actually holds the light bulb in place. So these go in here. This fits inside of here. There's, you can see on the inside of this, there's two little bolts right there. There are holes on either side of this. Those fit these, so we're gonna get some copper rivets. Rivet this on the inside. That will fit in there. Put the light bulb in. Once that's in, these will fit into place. And then we can fit the lights back on. So that's basically it for pretty much the completion of this project for the turn signal light restoration. But let's get to it, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so here we have it. They are completely done. Painted, redone, rewired, everything inside and out on both of them. So this completes my project for the 1957 Chevy truck turn signal lights. Took a while, but they're done. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I should have future videos coming along. Alright.